Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Cadillac ATS headlight. This easy method helps you replace a faulty bulb without extensive disassembly. You will need a basic screwdriver set, including Torx head bits, and your new headlight bulb. Many Cadillac ATS models use a 9012 bulb. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and straightforward. To begin, turn the front wheel fully inward on the side you are working on. This provides crucial space. Next, locate and remove approximately 4 Torx screws, securing the wheel well liner. Once the screws are out, carefully pry back the flexible splash guard. You only need to create enough space to comfortably reach inside the wheel well to access the headlight assembly. With access gained, find the round cap on the back of the headlight housing. Rotate this cap counterclockwise to remove it. Now, gently rotate the old bulb itself counterclockwise until it releases from its housing. Disconnect the electrical clip, then carefully pull the old bulb out. When installing the new bulb, remember not to touch the glass with your bare fingers, as oils can shorten its lifespan. After plugging in your new bulb, carefully insert it into the housing and rotate it clockwise until it locks firmly into place. Next, replace the headlight cap, twisting it clockwise to seal the assembly. Now, push the wheel well liner back into position and reinsert all 4 Torx screws. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.